Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check Nissan Murano transmission fluid. First, understand that many Murano models, especially those with a continuously variable transmission, or CVT, do not have a traditional dipstick. This means the process is more involved than a simple visual check. You'll need specialized tools and a precise method to ensure accuracy and prevent damage to your vehicle's complex transmission system. Before you begin, park your Murano on a perfectly level surface and allow the engine to cool completely. You'll need a few specialized items for this task, including a scan tool to monitor fluid temperature, a fluid temperature gauge, and access to a vehicle lift. Also, make sure you have a new crush washer and the correct Nissan CVT fluid on hand. Once prepared, start the engine and use your scan tool to warm the transmission fluid to its specified temperature range. With the engine still running, carefully remove the overflow plug located on the transmission pan. If the fluid level is correct, you should see a slow, steady drip of fluid emerging from the opening. This indicates the proper fill. If no fluid drips out, you'll need to add more through the fill plug until a steady stream begins to flow from the overflow. Once the level is correct, reinstall the overflow plug and torque it to the manufacturer's specifications. Remember, maintaining the correct fluid level is crucial for your Murano's transmission longevity. Also, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.